Hey everyone! Today we're diving into some major updates on former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte and his ongoing legal battle at the International Criminal Court. Let's get into it. So, the ICC issued an arrest warrant for Duterte, citing 43 killings as part of a widespread and systematic attack on a civilian population. But here's where it gets interesting. Those 43 killings are just the tip of the iceberg. According to ICC spokesperson Fadi El Abdallah, additional evidence may be presented soon. The initial 43 killings included 19 allegedly committed by the infamous Davao Death Squad, and 24 killings during Duterte's brutal drug war. The ICC judges found this evidence sufficient to issue the arrest warrant, but it's clear they're considering more. In the original application for Duterte's arrest warrant, the ICC prosecutor mentioned 45 acts of murder, 4 acts of torture, and 3 acts of rape. These cases are described as a representative sample of the violence that took place, so there's a lot more that could come to light. A key date to watch is September 23, 2025. That's when the ICC will hold a confirmation of charges hearing. This isn't the trial itself, but a pre-trial phase where the judges will decide if there's enough evidence to proceed. The prosecutor will need to prove that the additional evidence is strong enough to move forward. Before this hearing, the prosecutor must share all evidence with Duterte's defense team. They've already disclosed 181 items, giving the defense time to prepare and examine everything. Both sides can call and cross-examine witnesses during this phase. Interestingly, not all families of the drug war victims need to personally testify. They can submit forms through the Victims' Participation and Reparations section, which will vet and categorize them based on their relevance to the case timeline, from November 1, 2011 to March 16, 2019. Duterte's defense team is arguing that the ICC lacks jurisdiction because the Philippines withdrew from the ICC in 2019. But the ICC's stance is that the crimes were committed while the Philippines was still a member. Duterte himself appeared frail during his initial appearance via video link, where he confirmed his name and birth date. And here's a lighter, albeit confusing, twist. American author Nicholas Kaufman has been mistaken for Duterte's lawyer, Nicholas Kaufman. Filipinos flooded Kaufman's social media with messages, mistaking him for the British-Israeli lawyer representing Duterte. Kaufman had to repeatedly clarify that he's not involved in the case. So, what's next? If the ICC judges find the evidence convincing during the September hearing, we could see a full trial against Duterte in early 2026. This whole situation is a significant moment for international justice and could have massive implications for Duterte and his legacy. That's all for today's update. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay informed on this developing story. Thanks for watching.